Hello, I am introducing my health campaign project, child mortality rate in Sierra Leone. It is basically talking about the under 5 children of Sierra Leone, especially Potloko district. The host of the program is Abu Harisise. Today's episode is about how we as a community can help to reduce the child mortality rate in the country, especially Potloko district. My message is to reduce child mortality rate in the country through immunization, which is to give each and every child of the country 2 doses, Potloko district as the primary target of the under 5.